Children, it is a next part of the solution of the model question paper 3. Now let us take the 28th question. 28th question, calculate the mode for the given distribution table. Class interval and frequency are given. And also our question is there, that is find the median. Find the median. Now you solve any one of the questions here. Either you solve this question or this question, but now let us solve both the question. First one you take, that is 28th first question. Calculate the mode of the given distribution table. Calculate the mode for the given distribution table. Now here class interval and frequency are given. To find the mode, we have to find the maximum frequency. Here which is the maximum frequency? The maximum frequency is 9. So this is the maximum frequency and this is the frequency of the class 5 to 10. So the modal class is 5 to 10. So write here the maximum frequency is maximum frequency is 9. Therefore, it is a frequency of which class? 9. It is a frequency of the class 5 to 10. Therefore, modal class is 5 to 10. Modal class is 5 to 10. Then the lower limit of the class. Lower limit of the class is, so that therefore you take L equals. What is the lower limit of the class? This is 5 is the lower limit of the class. The L equals 5, right? L equals 5 and H, that is the size of the class. Size of the class is 10 minus 5. H equals, you write, that is 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5, that is also equals to 5. Then you know that this is equals to F1 and this is the F0 and this is F2. That is the frequency of the modal class is F1 and frequency of the below the modal class is F0 and frequency of the after the modal class. There is a class after the modal class, that is F2. So here you got the values of F1 and you write F1 equals 9, F0 equals 8 and F2 equals 5. Then you write the formula. Write the formula for mode. Mode equals, what is that? L plus, you write F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2, that into size of the class H. Then L you got 5 plus F1. F1 is 9. F1 is 9 minus F0, that is 8 by 2F1. Then you write 2 into F1 is 9 minus F0. F0 is 8 and F2 is 5 into H. H is also 5. Then you write mode equals 5 plus 9 minus 9 minus 8 is 1. 2 nines are 18 minus the sum of minus 8 and minus 5 is minus 13 into 5. Then equals 5 plus 1 by 18 minus 13, that is 5 into you can write 5. So 5 cancels, you will get 5 plus 1 equals 6. Therefore here the mode is 6. Mode equals 6. You got that? Mode equals 6. Now you take the OR question. What is that OR question? Find the median. Here the class interval and frequency are given. To find the median, cumulative frequency is required. So you find CF, that is cumulative frequency. Then here see the class interval, they are in the ascending order. So you start the cumulative frequency from this one, 7. And 7 plus 15. 7 plus 15 is 22. 22 plus 20. 22 plus 20, 42. Then 42 plus 8 is 50. Here let us find n, that is the sum of all frequencies, is equals to, know that 15 plus 7, 22. 22 plus 20, 42. 42 plus 8, 50. So you got 50, and here there is sum of the frequency is also 50. Now here you got that n equals 50. Let us find the median class. How will you get the median class? You find n by 2. n by 2 is equals to 25. And you know that you have to get the nearer greater cumulative frequency to 25, that is 42. So you will get, this is the median class. Which is the median class? 60 to 80 is the median class, because here you have to consider this 42 cm. So you write 25 lies in the class. So you take this observation. This observation lies in the class, lies in the class 60 to 80. So this is the modal class we got. Then you get L, that is the lower limit. Lower limit is, you know that is 60. And H is the size of the class. Size of the class is 80 minus 60, that is upper limit minus lower limit equals 20. You take the CF is this one, that is the cumulative frequency of the below the median class, and F is this one, that is the frequency of the median class. So you write CF equals 22 and F equals 20. F equals 20, and you write the formula. What is that formula? Median equals L plus, right, n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Then you write L. L is 60 plus n by 2. N by 2 you got it already, that is 25. 25 minus, and CF is 22 by F. F is 20. 20 into H. H is, that is the size of the class, that is also 20. Here f you write, that is 20. This f is 20, so you have taken 20, and h is 20. Then you write that equals 60 plus 25 minus 22. 25 minus 22 is 20, that is 3 by 20 into 20, that you will get 20 cancels, that is 60 plus 3, so that is median equals 63. Now you take the question number 29. The following table gives the information of daily income of workers of a factory. Draw the less than type OG for the given data. Here daily income is given, number of workers are given, and let us consider the income is in rupees, and here it starts from 100 rupees to 200. So you can take here 20, 40, 60, 80, 200 is there. So let us take the scale on x-axis. So you take scale on x-axis, 1 centimeter equals, you take 20, because the size of the class is here 100 to 120, 20 to 440, means the size of the class is uniform, that is uniform width is there, and it is how much? 20. So you take 1 centimeter equals rupees 20. 1 centimeter equals rupees 20. And scale on y-axis. Scale on y-axis. Here it starts from 0 and its end from 50. So here you can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 boxes are there for you. So you can have 1 centimeter equals 5. 5 people you can have. 1 centimeter equals 5. Or you take 5 units. Here you can take 50 units. Here 5 units. Then write this is origin, and it starts from 100. Right, it is 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200. And here you have the contraption here, and it is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Okay, and here you write, that is number of workers on the y-axis. Number of workers. And daily income on the x-axis. You take daily income on the x-axis. Now let us mark the point here. First one is 100, 0. 100, 0, it comes here. The next 128. Here you observe 128 is there. So you take 128. 8 means 6, 7, 8 you can mark here. And 140, 20. Less than 140, 20. It comes here. Here is 140. Straight you go to mark 120. It comes here. Then 160. 160, less than 160, 34. 34. 30 is here. 4 means you can have 1, 2, 3. 30. 1 less than 35. So you got 34. Next 180, 44. 180 is here. Go straight 44. 44 means it comes here. Then 250. So 200 is here. Go straight to 50. Now you join all the points. So you got a ogive, that is less than type ogive you got. This is less than type ogive. This we got the ogive, that is for the given data. Observe the ogive. Now take the 30th question. What is that question? In the given figure, xy and x dash y dash are parallel tangents to O-centered circle, and AB is another tangent on the point C. Then prove that angle AOB is equals to 90 degrees. See the figure here. XY is a tangent, x dash y dash is also tangent. They are parallel to each other. And you know that P and Q are the point of contact, and here OP is a radius, OQ is also radius, because this PQ passes through the center. Radius through the point of contact is perpendicular to the tangent. Now here C is a point of contact, AB is a tangent, OC is also radius, then OC is also perpendicular to, this is also 90 degree. But here what you have to prove? You have to prove that angle AOB, this angle is 90 degree. That you have to prove. Now here you take, this is 90 degree, and you know that AC and AP are the tangents from the external point. They must be equal. And if you take these two triangles, this triangle and this triangle, they are the congruent triangle. How they are congruent? Because these two are equal. They are the tangents from the external point, and these two are equal. They are the radii of the same circle, and OA is common. According to SSS congruence rule, you can say that these two triangles are congruent. Therefore, according to CPCT, you can say that these two angles are equal. So if you take, they are A and A. Similarly, you take these two triangles. They are also congruent. Same congruence rule. The two triangles are also congruent because these two are the tangents from the external point. They are equal. These two are the radius of the same circle. They are equal. And this is the common side. According to SSS congruence rule, these two triangles are congruent. Therefore, you can say that these two angles are also equal according to CPCT. So if you consider they are B and B. Now here you know that PQ is a line joining the point of contact of the parallel tangent. The tangent passes through the center, that is the diameter of the circle, and at this point, as POQ is a straight line, angle POQ is 180 degree. The sum of all this, that you can have A plus B equals how much? 180 degree. That is 2A plus 2B is equals to 180 degree. If you remove 2 common, 2 into A plus B is equals to 180 degree. 180 degree. So 2 ones are 290s. So you will get A plus B is equals to 90 degree. That is A plus B means this angle you can have. Sum of this two also 180. Sum of this two also 180. So you got angle AOB is 90 degree. So let us write all this. Now you write what is given there. So you take XY in the figure. In the figure, XY is parallel to X dash Y dash, and also PQ is a diameter. PQ is a diameter which passes through the center. Now you take these two triangles. In triangle AOP and triangle AOC and triangle AOC. Here you write AP is equals to AC, tangents from the external point A, and also you write OP equals OC. Why OP equals OC? Radii of same circle. Radii of same circle, and also you write AO equals AO, common side. AO equals AO, common side. Therefore you write triangle AOP is congruent to triangle AOC. According to which congruence rule? SSS congruence rule. Therefore you write angle AOP equals angle AOC. You can write. Consider this as the first year. Now again you take these two triangles, triangle BOQ and triangle BOC. In triangle BOQ and triangle BOC, right? BQ equals BC. BQ equals BC. So they are also tangents from the external point. External point, which becomes external point B. And also you write OQ equals OC. OQ equals OC. They are radii of same circle. And also you write OB equals OB, common side. OB equals OB, common side. Therefore you write, therefore triangle BOC equals triangle BOQ. Therefore triangle BOC is congruent to triangle BOQ according to SSS congruence rule. So again you can write here the reason is CPCT. Similarly, according to CPCT, you can write these two angles. Angle BOQ equals angle BOC. angle BOQ equals angle BOC. Consider this is second. Here you can write these two are angle A, these two are angle B, or directly also you can take care. So write here angle, which angle? POQ. Angle POQ equals 180 degree. Why it is 180? Because POQ is a straight line, that is a diameter. POQ is a straight line. So you write it is a sum of 4 angles. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. That is angle AOP plus angle AOC. Angle AOP plus angle AOC plus angle BOC plus BOQ. BOC plus angle BOQ equals how much? 180 degree. Here the sum of all these 4 angles is angle AOB. Now, so you take from the figure. Now here you must prove that this angle is 90 degree. Therefore, in the place of AOP, write AOC from first. So you write angle AOC plus angle AOC plus. Here you write the next angle, which angle is required? BOC. So you write both angle BOC. Angle BOC plus angle BOC. Here, because you know that these two are equal and these two are equal. So in the place of AOC we have taken AOC only. In the place of AOP we have taken angle AOC only. And in the place of BOQ we have taken angle BOC. That equals what? 180 degree. Write the reason from first and second. Now you know that angle AOC plus angle AOC is 2 angle AOC plus 2 angle BOC. 2 angle BOC, that is equals to 180 degree. Now you remove 2 common. That is 2 into angle AOC plus angle BOC equals 180 degree. So you cancel 2 ones are 2 90s are, and the sum of these two you will get angle AOC plus angle BOC. Observe the figure here. Angle AOC plus angle BOC. You will get angle AOB. Which angle you will get? Angle AOB. That is angle AOB equals 90 degree. That is from the figure. So you got angle AOB is equals to 90 degree. That is the proof you got. Next, let us take construct a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 3.5 centimeter. Angle between them is 60 degree. So it is already said that construction will be taken in the last video of this question paper. Now let us take the next question. Question number 32. A minus 5 minus 1, B 3 minus 5 and C 5 2 are the coordinates of the triangle ABC. Then find the area. Now you take A minus 5 minus 1 and B 3 minus 5 and C 5 2. So let us write x1 y1. These two are x2 y2. These two are x3 y3. Then what is the formula for the area of the triangle with the given coordinates? You write area of triangle ABC equals 1 by 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. See the order here, x1, x2, x3. Here when x1 is there, we are taking y2 minus y3. When x2 is there, we are taking this y3 minus y1. y3 minus y1. When x3 is there, we are taking here y1 is there. Next here we are taking y1 minus y2. That we have to observe here. Write in the correct manner. Then you write half into x1. x1 is minus 5 into y2. y2 is also minus 5 minus y3. y3 is 2 plus x2. x2 is 3 into y3. y3 is 2 minus y1. minus y1 means minus 1 plus x3. x3 is 5 into y1. y1 is minus 1 minus y2. y2 is minus 5. Write all the points with correct sign. Then you write 1 by 2. You write this minus 5 as it is, minus 5, and here these two are having same sign. Add them and put the same sign. Minus 7. The sum of these two is minus 7 plus 3 into 2 you write. Minus into minus becomes plus 1 plus 5 into, write minus 1 as it is, minus 1, sum of this minus that becomes plus 5, then that equals 1 by 2 into minus 5 into minus 7 is 35. 7 5 is 35. Then you write plus 3 as it is. 2 into plus 1 is 3 plus 5 minus 1 plus 5 is 4. Then you write half into, that is 35 plus 9, 3 3s are 9 plus 5 4s are 20. Then half into 35 plus 9 is 44, 44 plus 20, 35 plus 9 is 44, 44 plus 20, 64. Then that is 2 1s are 2, 32s are 32. Now let us take the question number 33. That is the last 3 marks question. Read that question. A medicine capsule is in the shape of cylinder with hemisphere stuck to each of its ends. The length of entire capsule is 14 millimeter and the diameter of the capsule is 5 millimeter. Find the surface area. It is also choice question. You can answer any one of the question which is easy for you. Now what is that second question? A gulab jamun contains sugar syrup up to 30% of its volume. Find approximately how much syrup would be found in 45 gulab jamuns, each shaped like a cylinder with 2 hemispherical ends with length 5 cm and diameter 2.8 cm. Let us solve both the question. You try in the exam which is easy for you. Now let us take the first one. What is the question? Medicine capsule is in the shape of cylinder with hemisphere stuck to each of its end. So the capsule is in the form of cylinder with hemispherical structure. So let us have the rough sketch here. The length of the entire capsule is 14 mm and the diameter of the capsule is 5 mm. Diameter is 5 means total is here, the radius becomes 2.5 and that is 14 minus 5, that is equals to 9 mm. Length of the cylindrical portion is 14 minus 5 equals 9 mm. So here to find the surface area of the capsule, we have to find the surface area of the hemispherical portion and the surface area of the cylindrical portion. So you write R equals, that is for both cylindrical portion and hemispherical portion, 5/2 mm, and for cylindrical portion, R is same, that is R is 5/2 mm, and H means that is nothing but length of the cylindrical portion, that is 9 mm. So surface area of capsule equals, what is that? CSA of cylinder plus 2 into CSA of hemisphere. Then CSA of cylinder, that you know, 2 pi RH plus 2 into CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi R square. Then it becomes 2 pi, you can remove as a common, and R also, R square is there, that you can remove, R also common. So what is remaining here? H plus 2 R, H plus 2 R, then 2 into here pi value, take 22/7, R is 5/2, H means that is 9 plus 2 into 5/2, that is 2 cancels, then 22 5s are 110/7 into 9 plus 2 cancels, 5 you will get, that is 110/7 into 9 plus 5 is 14, 7 1s are 7 2s are, so you will get 220 mm square or square millimeter, that is a CSA of capsule. CSA of capsule equals 220 mm square, or also you can write 220 square millimeter, that is the surface area of the capsule. Then you take the second question, that is the choice question. Now let us take the sketch of the gulab jamun. The total length of the gulab jamun is 5 centimeter and the diameter is 2.8, that is nothing but 1.4. The diameter is 1.4. Then what is the length of the cylindrical portion? The length of the cylindrical portion becomes 5 minus 1.4 is nothing but 2.8, that equals 2.2. So you take here what is given, R is equals to 2.8 by 2, that equals 1.4 centimeter. That is for both cylinder and hemispherical portion. Same it is. Then for cylindrical portion, R is same, that is 1.4 centimeter, and H is nothing but the L, that is here 2.2 centimeter. Here first let us find the volume of a gulab jamun. After that let us get the volume of 45 gulab jamun, and its 30% means that is the total syrup. Here we have to find the how much syrup would be found in 45 gulab jamun. Now let us find the volume of a gulab jamun. So we take volume of a gulab jamun. Equals what? Volume of cylinder plus volume of, so we write in short here, volume of a gulab jamun equal. What is that? Volume of cylindrical portion, cylinder you write, volume of cylinder plus volume of hemispherical portion. 2 are there, so 2 into volume of hemisphere. Then volume of cylinder, you know that is 5r square h, 5r square h plus 2 into volume of hemisphere, that is 2 into 2 by 3 pi r cube, 2 into 2 by 3 pi r cube. Then you remove pi outside and r square outside. Then in the bracket you are going to get h here. Here 2 2s are 4, 4 by 3 r. Here pi is outside, r square is also outside. In the bracket you will get h plus 4 by 3 r. Then pi value is 22 by 7, r is 1.4 into 1.4, h is 2.2 plus 4 by 3 into 1.4, that equals 22 by 7. You can cancel 7 ones are 7.2s are, right? 22 into 0.2 into 1.4, it is 2.2 plus, then you write 3, 14 4s are 56, it is 5.6 you will get. Then you write 22 into 0.2 into 1.4 into, the LCM is 3, then 22.2 into 3 is 6.6 plus 5.6, that equals 22 into 0.2, you will get 4.4 into 1.4 into the sum of these two. So you will get 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 1.2 is 12.2 by 3. This is the volume of a gulab jamun, and here we have to find the 45 gulab jamun. Then volume of 45 gulab jamun equals, equals 4.4 into 1.4 into 12.2 by 3 into 45. So then you will get 3 ones are 3 15s are. Then you multiply these two. 14 fours are 56, 5. 14 fours are 56 plus 5 is 61. So you will get 6.16 into, then you write 15 twos are 30. Again 15 twos are 30 plus 3 33, 3 carry. 15 ones are 15 plus 3 18. Then it is 183.0. Again we have to find the percentage of sugar. So that is here amount of sugar, volume of sugar, %, means 6.16 into 183 into 30 by 100. So here you will get 0 cancels, then 6.16 into 183 into 0.3. Now here you write 6.16 into 3 3s are 9, 8 3s are 24, 3 1s are 3 plus 2 5, that is 54.9. Again you find the product of, then find the product of these two, that is 549 into 616. Then 6 nines are 54, and 6 fours are 24 plus 5 29, and 6 fives are 30 plus 2 32, plus then 1 nines are 9, 1 fours are 4, 1 fives are 5, 9 fours are 54, and 6 fours are 24 plus 5 29, and 6 fives are 30 plus 2 32, and it is 4, 9 plus 9 18, and 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 4 9 plus 2 11, and 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 5 15 plus 3 18. Then they will get, and here the points are, that is 54.9 and 6.16. The point must be after 3 digits. So you write that is 338.184, and the volume is cm cube. So you write volume of sugar syrup in 45 gulab jamun. 45 gulab jamun is 338.184 cm cube.